You could say we've launched a startup. Right in the heart of Israel, we've established the world's first free supermarket. Here you'll find everything: dairy, meat, canned goods, eggs, cleaning supplies. Everything. And it's all for free. Families in need come in, grab a cart, and fill it with what they need. No questions asked. A startup, we said. How does it work? Who funds this free supermarket? All of us. People who want to help those in need. And now, the entire supermarket, the groceries, the merchandise, the rent and mandatory payments, the maintenance. It's all funded by donations. Our main growth engine is free love, and our plan is to have a free supermarket in every city in Israel. We are looking for investors and donors. Help us make this dream a reality.